North County traffic 214 Fox Sierra will be departing 27 left. We'll be departing to the northwest, North County. Okay, get ready to hold this. When I tell you to, you're going to pull back gently, okay?
Okay.
You're going to do the takeoff. All right, we're going. Just hold on. Okay, gently pull back. Gently pull back. There we go. Push forward now. Whoa, not too much.
7 left, full stop.
All right, there you go.
Yay, I took off.
Yes, you did.
Ooh, look at that square pond. Or lake.
Uh-huh. See, there's the other airplane right there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, we catch them fast because we're a much faster airplane.
Uh-huh.
We're climbing up fast.
Can we go see over there or at Daddy's house?
Down to traffic 733 Alpha Juliet, student pilot turning down.
Not right now.
Full stop.
Okay, put that down onto you. There you go. Wow, it's hazy out here.
Yeah. Can we do the up-down thing?
Not right now we can't. We're gonna go out here. Okay. We're gonna get up here where it's nice and cool.
Okay.
Okay, right now our outside air temperature is 81. It'll be getting cooler by the time we get to about 3,500 feet.
Okay.
See right here, look. See, our heading here is 287 degrees. We're climbing through 2,200 feet. Can you see this?
Uh-huh.
2,300, that's how far above the ground we are. And we're at 288.
I'm gonna stop here. And I'm gonna stop going up.
We're gonna go up to 3,500 where it'll get cooler. Feel the air's getting cooler now?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, see this? See that purple line? That's taking us to where we want to go here.
Okay.
So I'm going to pull back here on the gas some.
Where are we going?
We're going up to Okeechobee.
Okeechobee?
Okeechobee City.
Is Okeechobee where we're gonna get breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. We're on a mission to Okeechobee.
Yes, we are.
Have you ever been to Okeechobee for breakfast?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
And here it tells me that we'll arrive there at 8:30.
There's clouds, so I can fly through a cloud.
We will. We'll go through them. We'll have fun with it, okay?
Okay.
Watch what we'll do here. We'll go over here to the bigger cloud over there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here's this cloud right at our altitude, okay?
Okay.
So we'll go over here and play with it.
Okay.
We'll do what I call cloud dancing.
I told Brittany that I want to go through a cloud with this morning with Papa, and she said, "Oh, so you want to go cloud dancing?"
We have an IFR altitude and an IFR block here, so we can go play with that. Look down there is the lower clouds. See the lower cloud there?
Oh my God!
Okay, see this opening kind of that we're heading towards?
Uh-huh.
I'm going to have you grab the stick here in a minute.
Those clouds are so fast.
Yeah, see these clouds aren't very tall or big because it's not a real cloudy day. Yeah, those are little thin clouds there.
Are those Ceres clouds?
No, those are not cirrus. Cirrus are real high. Wispy. There's not really any cirrus out there except maybe that one way over there.
And that really fainted one next to it.
Yeah. Okay, we're getting closer. We're getting closer now.
Okay. I grab it now?
Yeah, you can take the stick.
Okay.
What we're going to do first, we're going to go and we'll go to the right. We'll go around that cloud right there, okay?
Okay.
We'll have fun cloud dancing.
Uh-huh.
Hey, we're going to go right between them here.
Okay.
Here, let's go right through here. Tilt it to the right. Whoa, look at this. All right, here we go. Okay.
Oh,
here we go, look ahead. Here we go. Whoa. Let's go back to the left. Oh.
Okay, golf box side.
Okay, pull back on the stick a little bit. Oh. There we go. We went cloud dancing. Let's go do some more. All right.
Let's go through there with the little, it looks like it has little tunnels.
All right, you want to go through the tunnel?
Yeah.
Final iOS 9 right, give me a little bird.
Okay, dive through the tunnel.
Okay.
Let's go through this tunnel right here.
Okay.
Here we go. You feel the bumps from the air? That's making bumps there. Okay,
Yeah.
steer it through the
Oh
tunnel.
my gosh, there's rainbows. There's a rainbow in there.
Oh, you did. You saw a rainbow. Whoa, we went through the tunnel.
Oh, everything's all cloudy and foggy.
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
The cloud.
Here, let's go back around this way.
Let's go to that big cloud.
Okay, well here, we're up this way.
Straight through it.
Here we go. Let me see. Go around this way. Steer to the right. Hey, we'll go between these clouds. Yay.
Woo-hoo.
That fun?
Yeah.
This is what I call cloud dancing. Here, go to the left. Okay. Let me see what else we got. We got another in between them right there, or we can go straight ahead. Let's go straight ahead right here.
Yeah.
Okay, you steer straight ahead, okay?
Okay.
Steer us to the right and pull back some. There you go. Steer us right through the middle.
Okay.
There you go. Pull back a little bit. There you go. Just a tiny bit now. Let it go. Relax. Go to the left. There you go. Go to the left. There you go. All right. Go to the right now. Okay. Now let's get back on course if we go this way.
I sing my all by myself.
Oh, yeah. Right. You did it. There we go.
Oh my god.
Final.
Was that fun?
Yeah. Especially when we went through the tunnel.
Weather.
See Lake Okeechobee?
Visibility 10.
How big it is?
Low
Yeah.
2,000. Temperature 26 Celsius.
That's a big, big lake. More like an ocean.
Yes. It's the second largest landlocked lake in the U.S.
1,400.
Okay, we got a guy right here coming up 2,200 feet above us, it says.
Okeechobee County Airport.
We're 12 miles out. See, here we're going 173 miles an hour.
Wind.
Ooh, cool.
10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 26 Celsius. Dew point 24. Altimeter 29.
Okeechobee traffic for a left downwind 23.
Okay, they're landing on runway 23. You hear that guy just then?
Uh-huh.
Okay, here we go. You ready? Okay, we're
Yeah.
getting closer to the runway. Okay, here we go.
Okeechobee Tower 4100 Victor, taxiing Alpha runway
Engine
23.
monitor.
Okeechobee traffic 4100 Victor, crossing runway 14 on Alpha, crossing runway 14 on Alpha, Okeechobee.
And 214 opposite air is clear, runway 23, or Okeechobee. And here we are at Okeechobee. This is Okeechobee Airport. Its identifier is OBE. That's Oscar Bravo Echo. And then we're going to go right over here and we'll park the plane.
On the left downwind, Okeechobee traffic.
Okay.
Then we'll go inside the restaurant right there and we'll eat breakfast.
Okay.